Hi everyone, I'm Jolie, your nanny and family matchmaker with Creating Connections. It is Real Wednesday, so let's get real. Okay, so it is the holidays. We are fast approaching the end of the year. I had a client reach out to me, a potential client reach out to me yesterday, and they want a nanny to start in about 10 days. And I let them know, I'm happy to start the search. I'm happy to do what I can to make that happen. However, what's important to me and what you can count on me for when you hire me to help find a nanny for your family is that I'm going to do my very best, my utmost to find you the last nanny that you will ever need. That is always my goal. So if you are a family looking for a long-term fit, that is the client that I want to work with. That's who I thrive with. That's who I do my best work with. So calls with me are free.